Hey guys, OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro will be launching tomorrow, and the Chinese smartphone manufacturer is probably readying up the stage for its biggest announcement of this year. Based on the confirmed leak, I am going to make it easy for you to select the best from both. So let's begin. First and foremost, if you are waiting to purchase a 5G model, then both of these will not support 5G. You will get another variant which will be named as OnePlus 7 5G, only that will include a 5G modem. And for all those who are looking for an headphone jack, both these devices will not feature it. So either prepare yourself to use it the way it is or buy Samsung's upcoming Note 10. The massive difference, however, lies in the display of both these devices. In OnePlus 7 Pro you will get a 6.67 inch and for OnePlus 7 you will get 6.4 inch. This is just a minor change which you are looking at right now, but the massive difference is for Pro version, where you are getting a Quad HD Plus curved display which will be a fluid AMOLED display with a cherry on top being a 90Hz screen refresh rate. OnePlus 7 could also be working on a new kind of display technology where it gets a variable refresh rate system, which means the refresh rate will change according to the kind of task that the smartphone is performing, and will increase the battery life as well. On top of that, the OnePlus 7 Pro has earned an A+ rating from display benchmark firm DisplayMate. Some might agree that this is better display than what Samsung smartphone offers. Coming to OnePlus 7, here you will not be getting any fancy upgrades. It's the basic Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 60Hz refresh rate. It has nothing special about the screen. Having said that, it's not a bad screen. It just cannot compete with the Pro version in display department. One more thing I forgot to tell you is the Pro version will not have a notch. It will house a pop-up selfie camera, and for the normal version it will have a water drop notch. And both of them will feature a Gorilla Glass 6 protection as well. On that note of cameras, OnePlus 7, that is the normal version, will have a dual camera setup with primary camera having a 48 megapixel sensor with f1.8 lens and a 5 megapixel telephoto with autofocus. Whereas you will find a triple rear camera setup on 7 Pro with 48 megapixel primary sensor, that too with 1.8 lens and 16 megapixel ultra wide lens and 8 megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom. Both these devices will feature OIS and EIS support, so the camera experience will be excellent. The tagline for OnePlus 7 series is "Go Beyond Speed." The speed will be increased by Snapdragon 855 SoC and UFS 3.0 storage. The new storage standard ensures faster data transfer rate, ultimately improving performance of a phone. The standard was expected to launch with Samsung's new flagship phone including Galaxy Fold, but it looks like OnePlus 7 Pro will be the first to sport this feature. And the normal version will sport Snapdragon 855 and will also include UFS 3.0 support, so there is no compromise on speed even for the normal version. On battery department there is a little difference. With the Pro version you are getting a 4000 mAh battery along with a fast charging of 30 watt, and for the normal version you are getting a 150 mAh more than what the Pro version provides you, and with a 30 watt fast charging as well. Both these devices will feature Android 9 Pie with Oxygen OS 9 out of the box, which are very well optimized. So these were some of the important things to consider. So if you liked the video, then smash the like and subscribe to my channel. With that being said, I am Satej signing off.